You've probably heard about creatine, but do you really know how powerful it is? The truth is, many people still think creatine is only for those who want to gain huge muscles and lift tons of weight. And that's where people get it wrong. Taking creatine every day can transform not only your workouts, but also your mental health and even the function of your heart. Yes, you read that right. That little daily dose might be the missing secret to your workout and your life. And the best part? The results are fast and proven. Want to know why? Stick around and find out. Benefits of creatine. Creatine is like a super fuel for muscles. It boosts energy levels, which can be the difference between an average workout and one that really makes your muscles feel the pump. When your body needs quick bursts of strength, whether it's lifting weights in the gym or during that final sprint in a run, creatine steps in. The secret behind this power lies in the muscles, which store about 95% of the body's creatine, ready to be used when needed. And the best part? You can increase this reserve with a simple supplementation. For those who want to take their training to the next level, creatine is an essential ally in bodybuilding. It not only enhances physical performance, but also speeds up recovery, ensuring you're ready for your next workout faster. And of course, who wouldn't want a significant boost in strength while building muscle? You're thinking about gaining big muscles, whether in the gym or in any other physical activity, including creatine in your routine can be a game changer. Many elite athletes use creatine precisely for that, to train harder and reach new levels of muscle growth. Oh, and don't forget, creatine can also be found in red meat and seafood. But let's be honest, it's tough to get the necessary amount just through diet. So that scoop of supplement before your workout can give you an extra boost. And speaking of boosts, the first few days of use might result in a 2 to 5 pound weight gain. But relax, it's not fat. This water retention in the muscles helps create an ideal environment for muscle growth. Increase in body mass. Many people panic when they see the scale rise in the first few days of creatine supplementation. But don't worry, it's not fat. Water retention in muscle cells is the body's natural response to creatine. Think of it as preparing the ground for muscle growth. The more water the muscle retains, the more nourished it becomes, facilitating the muscle gain process. That slight 2 to 5 pound increase in the first week is actually a great sign that your body is ready to build muscles efficiently. And this water retention in the muscles brings real benefits to your workout. Imagine your muscles as sponges, absorbing all that water. This makes them more voluminous and resistant, which facilitates performing more intense and heavier workouts. It's no wonder that so many fitness and bodybuilding practitioners turn to creatine to give that extra push in muscle mass gain. With more endurance and strength, you can push your limits, gradually increasing the weight in your workouts and seeing your muscles truly grow. Of course, gaining muscle mass doesn't happen overnight, but with a good combination of a protein-rich diet, creatine supplementation, and well-planned training, you'll be on the right track. The weight gain caused by creatine is temporary and part of the natural muscle-building process. Don't confuse it with fat. Instead, see it as a positive sign that your body is working in your favor, preparing you to grow muscle and achieve the physique you've always wanted. Recovery and muscle damage. One of the lesser-known advantages of creatine is its ability to speed up muscle recovery. When you push your muscles during a heavy workout in the gym, they suffer small damages that need to be repaired to grow stronger. Creatine, besides providing energy for your workouts, also acts as a powerful ally in recovery. It helps regenerate muscles faster and more efficiently, ensuring that you can get back into action sooner and stronger. After an intense workout, your muscles need time to recover and rebuild. Creatine not only accelerates this process, but also helps reduce inflammation, working as a natural antioxidant. This means less post-workout soreness and more readiness to keep training. For those focused on building muscles, this fast recovery can be a true game changer, allowing for a quicker cycle of workouts and results. Plus, creatine can also play a role in brain regeneration, benefiting not just the body, but the mind as well. And don't think these benefits are limited to athletes. Even those who train occasionally or are recovering from injuries can take advantage of creatine. Imagine the impact of being able to return to training faster, with less pain, and more energy. The real boost. Progress. If you've ever dealt with moments of anxiety or depression caused by long breaks from training, the accelerated recovery provided by creatine might be just what you need to get back on track and come back stronger. Heart diseases. Creatine, although better known for its role in sports and training, can also be a great ally for those suffering from heart diseases. Studies show that it helps improve endurance in patients with heart failure, allowing them to perform physical activities with less effort. This happens because creatine helps provide more energy to the heart, a muscle that, like others, needs fuel to function well. Additionally, its antioxidant effects help combat inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. But the benefits don't stop there. Creatine can also reduce homocysteine levels, a marker related to heart diseases. Do you have family members suffering from heart problems, or simply want to take better care of your heart health? Considering creatine as part of your routine could be a smart move. And believe it, this supplement, often associated with bodybuilding and workout, can have a profound impact on your overall health. Imagine being able to keep training, build muscles, and still improve your heart function at the same time. For those who regularly engage in fitness or any other type of physical activity, keeping the heart in good shape is crucial. And with creatine offering support for both muscles and the cardiovascular system, you can get a double benefit. Along with helping you grow muscles and improve physical performance, it can be a powerful tool in ensuring a longer, healthier life by reducing the risks associated with heart disease, muscular dystrophy, and neurological diseases. Beyond the benefits in training and physical performance, creatine has shown promising results in treating neurological diseases like muscular dystrophy and Parkinson's. People suffering from muscular dystrophy, for instance, can experience an improvement in muscle strength by including creatine in their routine. This happens because creatine helps provide energy directly to the muscles, which are weakened in these conditions, allowing for an increase in mobility and quality of life. Creatine is also being studied for its impact on the brain. Just like muscles, the brain uses creatine to perform its functions efficiently. Patients with diseases like Parkinson's may find in creatine a way to reduce the loss of muscle strength associated with the condition. It's amazing to think that the same supplement that helps in the gym, building big muscles, can also be a useful tool in treating such debilitating conditions. This shows the versatility of creatine beyond the fitness world. For those dealing with neurological diseases, creatine offers a new horizon of hope. Although much is yet to be discovered, the results so far are encouraging. What was once seen as just a supplement for bodybuilding is now opening doors for medical applications, bringing tangible benefits to both the body and mind. And if you know someone facing these conditions, it might be a good idea to suggest a conversation with their doctor about the use of creatine. Now that you understand the true power of creatine, are you ready to transform your workouts and your health? The question is, why not start today? What's stopping you from taking that simple step that can take your muscles to a new level, improve your recovery, even protect your heart? What if I told you that creatine could be the missing piece in your fitness puzzle? So, how about applying everything you've learned right now? Try it and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content on how to improve your performance and reach your goals. The journey is just beginning.